Ramadan Mubarak to you all, my angels. I hope you all are doing good. And hi, this is Anita here from your beautiful channel, Be You, Be Beautiful. And as I always say, that if you are here for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and be associated with it. And as this was few clips which I clicked before doing this look, so let's get into the video. Hi, my angels, once again. And as you can see, I've cleaned, prepped my skin well before, and now I'm using a Saphi Age Defying Serum, which is very beautiful. You can see half of the bottle, almost full bottle. I've finished this, which is it's so moisturizing and keeps my skin little plump and youthful. So this is the 24K Bio Nano Gold technology. I'll be mentioning the link down below. You can have a look. As Ramadan season is on in UAE, it is, because since we are uh, everywhere, we have Muslim brothers and sisters, we know what exactly the festival is all about. It's about 30 days fasting. If I'm wrong, please correct me. And you have to be empty stomach since morning until evening when the azan happens. So in this, Muslim brothers and sisters, they fast for a stretch of 30 days, and it's truly a blessing, believe me, because they don't eat, they don't drink a sip of water. They are totally on fasting, and they are giving up on so many things which they like. And that's the beautiful thing about this festival. And once the 30 days are over, they have a big feast, and that is called as Eid. So here you can see I'm using a nice primer for my eyes, and that is from NY Bay. This is a blurring primer which minimizes pores, blends like a dream, hydrating in nature. So I'm just using it under in my eye area and under the eye area because that's the place where I'm going to do much of the makeup. And also for my skin to look luminous, I'm using here the Sephora Super Serum, which is a vitamin C and E, which gives a shine and also is a kind of a skin prep, treatment for the skin. Now from a beauty glazed color board palette, meet your match eyeshadow tray. This is a very beautiful and lots of colors that if you haven't tried this, please go ahead and buy this. This is a must buy palette of lots of colors. I just love this. This is a very underrated kind of a product, I would say. But once you use it, you will love this. That's for sure. Second eye I have covered off camera. So let's proceed with the next step, and that is a concealer. I'll be doing the cut crease. For that, I'm using a concealer called Rimmel Match Perfection Skin Tone Adapting Concealer Anti-Soreness. And this is in the shade 020. That's soft ivory. And that's the shade which I'm using. And with a small flat brush, I'm just drawing just to cut the crease so that all the chunks which I'm gonna do further will be deposited in here so that it looks visible and more sharp. And coming back to Ramadan, I am sure that many of other religion also follow this because that's the beauty of our tradition, our custom, our culture, because everything is like diverse. We do it, we follow everything, and that's the beauty of human being. Take your time and make a nice cut crease, very neat, so that it looks clean and precise. Next for contouring, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in a shade. I can't see the shade mentioned. However, yeah, Espresso. So you can just draw on the nose bridge as I have done on the forehead area and a little bit on the cheeks and jawline because I have a double chin issue. So I'm just hiding it with the help of this contour. So yeah, just contour it with this beautiful shade. I jumped on the contour immediately because I wanted my cut crease to dry meanwhile. And I'm taking a nice fluffy brush to blend this contour wherever I have darkened it. Now, with this step only, you can see the nose has become so tiny and sculpted. So, very little amount. Okay, always go with a light hand and see that what difference does the makeup play in your beauty and makeup routine. Now it's time to add on some shine in this makeup. For this, again, I'm using a beauty glazed silver shimmer chunks in this look. You can use any silver chunk, or if you have a golden chunk also, you can recreate this look with whatever shiny glitter you have. So what I observed is with the brush, it was not coming that dense. So I'm using my finger to make it more pigmented, and yes, that's doing my job well. So same way I'm applying on my second eye too, and see, you can see the difference which a finger can do and compared to the brush. Now with the eyebrow pomade, this is from Ardell. I'm just trying to outline my eyebrows and make it little fuller, and use any flat brush. And once you're done, see, I'm trying to cover up my gray hairs too. Once the eyebrows are done, you can proceed with the next step. Next, to give a nice outline to your eyes, I'll be using Mini Star Artist Eyeliner, and I'll be drawing a nice eyeliner. I've also fast forward this application process so that it doesn't become lengthy. I mean, the video doesn't become lengthy. Here, I'm using the same orangey color from the palette and applying it on the base of my eyes and blending it all nicely. And thereafter, I'll be using any kajal if you have. Please go ahead and apply the beautiful thing in the makeup, that's kajal. Please go ahead and draw a nice dark smoky eye kajal. After a tiring day, when I sit with my makeup videos, I make sure that I have my coffee in front of me. And girls, it's like, whatever you do in life, like suppose if you have an insecurity that you are not up to the mark or this or that, make sure that you treat yourself always. Give yourself a treat, do something which makes you happy. Okay, that's what is very much important because no one is going to be with you in your bad times. People will always be with you when they are happy or they are in a good mood. Make sure you are good with yourself, okay? Because you are your best friend. Well, now I have used a highlighter from Icon, and this is in a shade London Illuminator, and this is in a shade, well, I'm not sure, there's no shade mentioned on this. However, you can use any highlighter or any illuminator of your choice. As you can see, I have put off the palette, and now it's time to put on some mascaras. If you want, you can go ahead and apply fake lashes. Since I'm not applying, I'm just keeping it very natural. You can anytime go and put fake lashes because that's in trend, and if you put, definitely it is going to enhance this look. Here I'm using a cheek tint from Etude Dear Darling Tint. That is the name of the tint, and applying little on my cheeks and on my lips also. I'm not using any lipstick. I'm keeping it very normal on the lip area since the eye looks little of dramatic. So just with a light hand, tap tap on your cheek, little on your nose, and voila, done. So I hope you like this tutorial, which is very simple. At the same time, it gives you a different level of look. So I was really happy doing this video, and that's all. So that's how the look came out. So now I hope you like this video and the compilation of this look. So if you like this video, please don't keep it to you, because there are other people also, they might be wanting to see such kind of simple eye look for this Eid. Please go ahead and share. I'll be subsequently putting on different looks for this Eid until Eid. So please, if you want to watch that, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel below, and also don't click on the notification, that is a bell icon next to it, so that whenever I post any videos, you get updated very soon. So I really love this look, and since it's a night time, I might look little tired for you. Plus, just bear with me, because I have two kids to handle, and I'm just doing the best of what I can. So, Ramadan Mubarak to one and all, since I have missed out on wishing you guys. So, I hope you have a good fasting, and please take care of your health. Once you are done with your fasting, make sure you drink lots of water and keep your body hydrated. And also, please pray and fast for the country, for the entire world, for the entire universe, because your prayer is going to literally do the magic. So that's it from me, and this is Sunny here signing off from BOB Beautiful. Until we meet you again with some beautiful video, let's say thank you, God, and voila, have a nice time. Mwah.